Hi, and welcome to the project Prevent4Work.
Prevent4Work is funded by the EU and aims to prevent and reduce musculoskeletal problems at the workplace. For this purpose, interactive digital tools and easily accessible information based on the most current scientific knowledge have been developed.
Now we will tell you about the Prevent4Work educational platform. You can enter the platform by the P4Work app in your mobile device or through the e-learning section on the P4Work website. To log in, you must use the same user and password as you used to enter the app P4Work.
This is the home screen where you will have access to the courses you are enrolled in. Remember to choose the courses according to your profile, which could be worker, healthcare professional, or healthcare student. Here's how you enter a course.
This is the main screen of a course. In this section, you can see the progress of the course. Furthermore, you can download the supplementary materials for the course, and you can design your own study plan.
Now let's take a look at the section called Lessons. Through this section, you can access the course and watch the content. To help us make the courses even better, we kindly ask you to complete the evaluations and survey before and/or after the courses you take.
Now we're going to explore the section called Lesson Content. Here you can start following a lesson or do an evaluation. Let's select Start Lesson.
Here's an example of a course. In the left top corner, you can see the index of the content and you see your progress through the different topics. Throughout the course, you will have interactive screens with slides, videos, or tests. And don't forget to apply for your certificate once you have finished a course.
Finally, in the section called My Messages, you will be able to communicate with the tutor and access forums.
And that's all for now.
We hope you enjoyed the P4Work courses.
Shall we start? You can learn more about work-related pain from Prevent4Work on Facebook and YouTube.